Hey, how's it going? So I bit into a very juicy tomato, and it squirted juice and seeds all over me, and I used some toilet paper to wipe it up, and later on I saw it sitting there and I thought, well, what if I just put that in some soil? And I did, and this is what happened. So I thought, well, let me just see how far I can take this. It was pretty late in the season to be growing tomatoes, but I have a grow box inside, so why not? So I separated them out into cups, and I just let them do their thing under the grow light, and just wanted to see how big they would get, or just, how far I could take this and see what I could get out of it. They actually grow pretty fast. Some of them grew faster than others. I'm not sure why they did that. I guess it's just genetics. But I definitely took notice of that. There were some that were very, very much taller. Here I'm just going to show a comparison between the tallest one and one of these kind of average ones here. So you can see this one is quite a lot taller. So now this is where it gets interesting. I made the soil mixture way wrong. It drained way too easily, and the holes in the bottom of the container were way too big. So it was draining water way too fast. So I took it out of that container. I lost some footage where I was training the plant to grow in different directions in that container. Getting the flowers on the plant was very exciting. I was not sure it would even make flowers, to be honest with you. But it did. It rather quickly, once it got the first flower, it started making all kinds of flowers. After it got its first set of tomatoes on it, though, a lot of the flower sets dropped off, because I think the plant could detect this is not optimal conditions here. Maybe I ought to just focus on a little bit of fruit. So I've got this main set, and I've got a couple of other smaller sets, and they ripened into these very bright tasting, almost like a citrusy, lemony kind of tomato, and I really, really like these. I have no idea what they're called. They just came in a variety pack. And on Christmas morning, I just happened to check one of them for ripeness, and like 3 of them fell off. So that just happened to be the day that they were ready. Christmas morning. And they were delicious. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.